how to create new store in Shopify. So first, go to Shopify's homepage. Next is just click on start for free here at the top right. And then here you just need to use your email. So I'm just going to use my email here. So if you don't have an account yet, you just need to click on add account here. Okay, so I'm just going to click my account here. Okay, next is here if you want to add your credit card now or your PayPal, you can do that. But as for me, I'm just going to skip this for now, just to show you how to create a store. And now here you can see this kind of flashcards here. So there's our prompts that you can use to for Shopify for you to help to build your store, right? So here you can see that where would you like to sell. So they're asking you questions here, just answer them, and then they'll customize your store for you based on your answers here. Okay, so as for me, I'm just going to skip this customized setup. So I'm just going to click on this one. Okay, and as you can see, now I have a new store here. So here, after that, once you have your new store here, you just need to start customizing your store and then make it online. So once it's ready, you just need to publish your store and then advertises your product. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.